How to cancel Nintendo Switch Online subscription. To cancel your Nintendo Switch Online subscription, you must turn off the automatic renewal within your account settings on your console, or you can use any web browser of your choice. If you are using web browser just like me, you simply have to go ahead and tap on that search bar and head to the official Nintendo website. Once you're here, tap on this human silhouette on the bottom right corner and then tap on this login option to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you simply have to once again tap on this human silhouette icon to access your user profile. From there, scroll down to the left sidebar menu to the Nintendo Switch Online tab, or go to the Your Subscriptions option from the Shop menu tab. Now you simply have to locate your Nintendo Switch Online plan and click the Turn Off Automatic Renewal button right next to it. Then review the confirmation summary and click Turn Off to finalize it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.